Okay guys, we Mindshifters, we're leaving church. We're about to go to this really cool place for keto and low carbers out there. I think it's really cool. My son introduced me to this place. I hope you guys are staying warm. It's rainy here in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. It's kind of gloomy. But we had a really good time at church. I was going to skip it because as you guys know, I'm doing this part-time gig delivering pizzas, and please tip your drivers. It's pretty interesting, but the young kids that I work with, they have a lot of energy. I don't. But anyways, I want you all to see too, as you guys know, I'm doing the Dave Ramsey baby steps, and how am I able to still budget to go out to, get a bite to eat with my son. And that's the whole thing. I put it in an envelope, and I allocate funds for food, funds for toiletries, and I allocate funds for restaurants. And it's not, if I save up, I guess I can do our usuals. Our usuals used to be like Bonefish Grill, and sometimes Red Lobster, and we didn't really eat out that much anyways. But now we kind of find, or my son, when he goes out with his girlfriend, they find these other little places that we can try. So I'm going to try this Mediterranean place with him, and just come along. Okay. Star treatment, guys. All right, the boy's coming to pick me up. Oops, here we go. We are going to be in the boy. Get in. Okay. I'm trying to get under the cover so it doesn't get wet. You didn't really.
You're going too fast.
I'm sorry. Star treatment is kind of dwindled. We're going to, what's the name of the place?
Mezeh.
Say it again. They're looking at you.
Mezeh.
He's hungry. He gets hangry. We're going to Mezeh in Bowie Town Center. So I think there's one in Chapel. If you're familiar with the Bowie area, the Gambrels or Crofton area, it's supposed to be really, really, really good. Here you go, sweetie.
Can I close it?
No. Keep it over. So we are ordering. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Isn't he getting so big? He's driving around, guys. I love him. Okay. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, they don't have any more spinach.
Kale?
You don't want to get mixed greens too?
That's funny.
This looks good. So I think she was saying that they are out of spinach, but look at these options. I love it. Hello, how are you? Can I get a bowl to go? We're here, right? We're here, I'm sorry. And may I get mixed greens? Oh, can I get mixed greens and arugula and kale? Thank you. No rice, no thank you. Can I get... Ooh, look at this. Watch out, sweetie. Can I get chicken shawarma? Chicken. Can I get a little bit of steak too? Or half and... Oh yeah, half and half. That sounds good. I'm doing half and half, guys. That looks really, really good. Thank you. Oh, look at the options. Falafel. I think when we went to Lebanese taverna, it's similar.
Where's the lamb meatballs?
Oh, the lamb meatballs right here. Spicy lamb kefta. You should have got that. You could have did half and half. Oh. I wonder can you get a side of it? Oh. We can add a third option. Okay. Oh, look at all of this stuff. This is really good. And it kind of reminds me, like we used to really go to Lebanese Taverna. If you're from this area, there's one over at Pentagon City Road, and there's one in Annapolis, and one in Baltimore. So that's what I'm getting. I'm thinking, hence the Mediterranean part of it. So that pita bread, Erica's going to eat both of mine because I'm keto, guys. But I just want you all to see that you can still kind of have a good wage and eat out and, you know, splurge every now and again and still stay within your budget.
Salad. Hummus.
Oh, the Eric is building his. It looks really good. He really likes these pickled onions. He loves this. Yes, hello. May I do the Turkish salad too? And can I do the cilantro hummus? And the feta, crumbled feta? And can I do the roasted vegetables? And can I do black olives? And may I do sunflower seeds and crunchy chickpeas? And what are the sauces? Can I do? Oh yes, please. And can I do basmati, the vinaigrette and the Greek feta dressing on the side though? The feta dressing, Greek, and the yes, please. Thank you. And can I do what is Greek feta? Feta? Yes. Thank you. So you can get a cookie, pita chips, pita bread. You getting a cookie too? Look at the pita chips though. Look, pita chips look really good. So I had enough allocated to pay for both, but Eric is like he wants to pay for his own, which is wow, guys. The boy, he earmarked his own money. He's doing a cash system too. So we didn't get any drinks, but they have these really cool drinks, guys. Look, fresh, no added sugar. I kind of want to try this papaya lemon lime. No added sugar, so it doesn't mean that it doesn't have any sugar. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. That looks really good, actually. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll try. I'm not really in the mood for any juice. And I thought the boy was going to try because I had allocated money for him. But, you know, he's his own man. I hope he doesn't eat his yet. I want to take a picture of his food. It looks good. So they do have some drinks if you're just low carb, not necessarily keto. Sorry if the focus is off, guys. Okay, we're about to enjoy. So this is Eric. He is already eating his cookie, but look at that. Look how good that is. And this is mine.
This is caramel. I didn't mean to get this, but it's still good.
It's a caramel cookie? Look at that, guys. That looks really good. Right. Eric always finds the best places. He's already digging in.
Don't watch me while I'm eating.
I'm not. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Oh, I got a knife for you too. So, this is my first bite, guys. really good. I got like roasted vegetables too.